Hello, I'm Afra Safia, and I'm working on this project called Prevando. I'm a grade 12 student from APO Global School, Chennai, India.
Hello, I am Agrim Sharma. I am a third year undergraduate student at Ashoka University in Haryana, India. I'm also working in this Prevando project.
The engine goals that relate to our project Prevando are engine goal number 7, 10, 11, 17, 20, and 21. And the role that we would like our judges to play are investors for a STEM solution. And this logo on the left is the logo for our company.
So, starting with the problem definition, the first problem that we really want to focus on is the fact that there is still a large number of sexual harassment issues and rape issues in India right now, even through this COVID-19 pandemic. So our customers, our users, and our recipients are the women of India. They are our targeted audience. So we want to make an impact through keeping them safe and protected through our STEM solution. The size of the market or the social impact opportunity is that millions of women will be impacted by this product that the company will produce through its gadgets like bags, wristwatches, and rings, etc. We will also have an increased engagement of women in all the fields, including engineering, business, and law. The goal is to decrease criminal activities against women, uh, uh, criminal activities against women in India, like sexual harassment and rape issues.
Moving on to our solution is actually a STEM solution for women that with action. And our unique value proposition is that our company, Prevando, is an all-youth-led and an all-female company, which gives us power through a story, which is to create a safe space for women. The solution to this problem includes features such as location detection, firearm detection, automatic safety notifications, and education in schools that relate to engine goal number 7, education, and engine goal number 17, artificial intelligence. The main problem is that there is a lack of safety for women in this country, and during the solution, we are teaching action to make solution on this issue, which is by creating gadgets with these features.
So moving on to the influence goals, our call to action is to provide the product to all the women in country and to make sure that they are also getting educated. So what we really need is a subscription to Microsoft Azure to develop software and to bring 100% guarantee of safety to women. So we want to first start off by presenting this to 100 local women in Chennai, and we want to spread this new product to them by building our software and making sure that it is 100% reliable. We also need to create a website to let women know that our product exists, and we want to make sure that our product is properly manufactured, considering all the technical issues involved from other companies. We want to test the product and make sure that our product will once again be viable enough to guarantee 100% safety for women. We will also be creating educational resources, explaining good touch and bad touch to change a lot of our societal standards and thinkings. Our next step after that is to present this to 100 local women in Delhi. After Chennai, we do want to expand. We will start this by introducing the topic in school curriculum and having school chapters. We will also include self-defense lessons that would be mandatory in schools and colleges to help protect women. We would also want to have this product in the women community by starting in states like Delhi and Chennai and spreading it throughout India. Moving on to the empirical validation, what we have already done is that we have included partnerships, 3D CAD drawings, having built teams, and interviews were already conducted. So we have been working with organizations like Heal Her Soul, which is a women empowerment organization. Namaskar with Love Foundation, which is also a women fertility organization, the Invisible Girl Project, which is an organization helping girl community in India and raising women out of poverty, and with Girls Play Global, which is an organization to help women get involved in sports in India. From these four organizations, we were able to gain partnerships. We also presented this to 2 police officers, and we are currently working with law enforcement officers as well. So we uh, we aim to build our product with two with college groups in Chennai, which is MOP Vaishnav College for Women and Anna Adarsh College for Women, to help build the prototype and also create the software. In order to make sure that our risks and assumptions were tested, we conducted interviews with the Invisible Girl Project organization to make sure that rural communities with females who are interested in having this product to feel protected and safe.
So finally, coming to a summary, we would want you to know that our company, Provando, is an initiative to provide women with a safer environment to protect them from the cruelties that they might face. And the power of our story is women themselves preventing this issue through the innovation of technology and by creating them. Thank you for your time. And do you have any other questions?
Hi, this is Sumina here. Thank you very much for your presentation. This is definitely an issue of great importance, both in India and otherwise. I just wanted to question some of your assumptions on creating a product for all of the women in India. As you know, it's a huge demographic with great amount of socioeconomic differences throughout the country. So my suggestion would be maybe to be a little bit more targeted, particularly if you have a watch as a solution that requires energy to charge it. You know, how have you decided kind of what will be your first avenues for addressing this problem? Kind of what is your target demographic that you will start with, and how will you expand that?
Okay, so we are creating a watch to solve this problem, and we would first present this to multiple women in Chennai, as we said before. So we have recognized a few all-women clubs in Chennai. So we will present it to them. So they would help us create this project, and they would help us further.
So hi, this is Madan here. Just want to actually just build upon the same question. Like I wasn't clear, like ultimately, like what exactly is the product? Are you trying to build a ground up, like from a brand new watch, or are you building an app that sits on an existing various watches? Whether it could be an Apple Watch or something else. Or I also heard things along the lines of like evangelizing self-defense classes for girls at school. So maybe you can a bit more clarify when you say product, like what exactly is that product? I think that would be super helpful.
So basically, so far we have targeted to the product to be a watch, like which will be having location detecting software and firearm detection software as well. So basically, we are targeting the rural community in Chennai. Like that is our first target.
Thank you for your presentation. I want to build on the previous question, which is what's the outcome that you're looking for? So the person has this watch. Now talk to me about her experience. What does she do with the watch?
This watch has location detection. So whenever the female is in need of help, this would connect to the police officers or any other people who are around her to come and help her.
Then the last follow-up question, thank you for that description, is I understood at one point you mentioned good touch versus bad touch. Have you thought about training men? Did you consider training men? Besides women, teaching women about good touch versus bad touch, did you think about potentially targeting the men with some kind of incentive, pro-social in a similar way, so that everybody's wearing a watch, but different people are incentivized in different ways? Was that part of the consideration? No.
Yes, actually, we aim to develop educational resources. So that will be for like everyone. That will be for the whole of the schools and colleges. So the self-defense lessons that are included, they are for like for especially for women. But the educational resources explaining good touch and bad touch, and we are also aiming to involve some other topics as well related to the issue. So those will be targeted for like all of both men and women.